Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo A53S to an Android device. First of all, access Play Store on both smartphones, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. On this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android, so we have to wait for it to download. And now finally we can click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then just send on Oppo and receive on an Android. Following that, you need to tap on all of those type of dots and then just send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one song. Choose send and click on got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and tap on receive. Now after a while, I can see that my song was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!